Yo! I know y'all probably wonder why I got this mask on, but today I'm switching it up because I haven't uploaded in like 4-5 days for real. I'm probably over exaggerating, but it feel like it been that long for real. And girls has been BSing to do a video, so I decided I want to go on the YALL, put this mask on, ask females this rate my voice from 1 to 10. You know, I take the mask off, is it the same? Like, do my rate go up or do it go back down? So we ready to get into the video. I never really been on the YALL, but it's something new, something different, something positive, something funny, and just let's run it up. Let's get into the video.
Don't drop no dime. You do that time. Ain't gon' never 6'9". Nah, that man gon' snitch. Nope, I ain't no bitch. On 50 rich. She wanna be my lady. She want her my baby. No baby. She wanna fuck my Mercedes. I ain't got a Mercedes. I got a Honda. 100 boys. Man, gang, fuck your mama.
Turn this off. Where do you at, back? Let's go to it. Looking for some females, man. They getting straight dudes on here. What the hell? No. Where the females at? Getting crazy on this one. Some gay ass names on here. What the fuck? Really goddamn back out this motherfucker. Help me. What's up with all these freaky ass names? Nah, bro. I think I done got on the wrong goddamn L. Oh yeah, I messed up.
Hello?
Yeah, add time real quick.
Okay.
Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice?
A damn team, so fun to tell.
Appreciate it. So alright, I'm gonna take the mask off, and you gonna tell me if the scale dropped or went up or not. Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Damn.
Why you add that much time for?
I don't know. Wait, what the scale dropped though? What did it?
Baby, what's
Oh, for sure. Appreciate it. Hey.
what's your... Can I go ahead and read them, girl?
Yeah, what you rate me?
She said 10. I said 10, nigga.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Yeah, I appreciate y'all, bro. Y'all add me, goddamn, we can get up or whatever. I'll let y'all know something. Alright, bet. So far, so good. Hold on. Gotta down. Oh, damn, she done curved me. So far, so good, though. I don't know what that is. Hell no. What's up with all these niggas on here, bro? Shit gay as hell. Keep popping up the same user, help me come. No, get the fuck off this app, nigga. Play with me, oh my god, what the fuck? Show your feet, yeah. So these weird names, man. These shit keeps come hard. Goddamn, all these dumbass names, man. What the fuck? Yeah, straight guys, man. Straight dicks. What the fuck? Hell no. I don't wanna. Damn, I think I just skipped a girl too. Let's see. Hello?
What's with that? What's with all that?
Add time real quick. Man, you can't put your face in the camera though.
No, I'm good.
Alright, on the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice?
Nico, I don't know.
This rate it. I'm gonna take it off and then you rate me again.
Alright, I guess I give you like a 7, I guess.
Alright.
7.5.
So I'm gonna take the mask off, and then if the goddamn, you gonna tell me if it go up or go down. I'm gonna take it off and you rate me again. Alright.
Alright.
Alright, bet.
Oh my god.
What it is now?
It's It's
She just literally got down, skipped a nigga. Man, I must be ugly. Shit. Damn, got skipped again. Damn, she read a nigga voice, ain't even rape my face. Damn, I must be a one ugly ass nigga. Hey, add time real quick. Hello? What the fuck? Y'all motherfuckers not showing y'all weird as fuck. Y'all motherfuckers ugly. The fuck? Y'all not showing y'all face. Y'all must be ugly as shit. Damn. Man, if I see that same name, I'm ready to refresh this shit. The same fucking people on here. Yeah, I'm ready to goddamn exit out the app and come back. Cause that shit, hell no, bro. Keep saying, motherfucker not showing their face. I ain't paying, bro. That's dead. Lord, I think it's a female. Yo. God damn. Bitch, you was ugly as shit anyway, bitch. Why is there so many guys on the app? Where the females at, man? Damn.
Hey.
Oh. Hell nah. We got little kids on the app. Fuck no, we're not doing that shit. Dumbass bitch. Yo, add time real quick. I gotta ask you something.
Okay. What?
Alright, so on a scale of 10, what would you rate my voice?
Yes.
So I'm gonna take the mask off and y'all rate me from 1 to 10. Y'all let me know if it went up or went down, alright?
Alright.
Alright, bet. Alright, what it is now?
Wow, I'm ugly.
Damn, I'm ugly as shit. Fuck! Oh, that shit hurt my feelings. Sophia.
Nigga! Help me!
Y'all get me?
Yes.
Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would y'all rate my voice?
It's like an 8, a 6.
Oh, damn. Who said an 8? Who said a 6?
I said an 8. She said 6.
Oh, alright, so I'm gonna take the mask off. Y'all rate me again. Y'all let me know what it is.
Okay.
Add time.
You can.
Alright, hold on.
You had 10.
Hold on. Alright, what it is now?
What's that?
7?
An 8 still.
Alright. Y'all add me though. Y'all cute. Y'all both 10s.
Thank you.
Y'all add me as a friend. I got y'all though. But y'all have a nice day though.
Thank you.
Alright. Damn, they bad as shit. Ooh! Oh, Monse. Alright, we gonna get back on it. Hold on, put the mask back on. I ain't get no, I got 2 10s so far. I ain't really get no high score yet. Oh, hell no. Let's see what is on there. Yo,
What's good?
how old you at?
What's up? Didn't it tell you?
I ain't pay attention. What did it say?
It said 18.
Oh,
Gotta go ride some shit.
nah. Every time real quick. I'm ready to explain.
Gotta go ride some shit.
Nah, alright. On the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice?
Like a good A. A good A.
Alright, so I'm gonna take the mask off and y'all tell me if it went up or down. Y'all can violate if y'all want to, y'all do whatever. I don't give a damn, but I'm gonna take the mask off.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. I ain't got no cut, but fuck it.
You straight up. You ain't doing nothing. You straight up.
Damn, oh, I appreciate it. So my goddamn voice matches my face, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate y'all though. I appreciate it. Alright, so far so good. So far it goes. She want me. Alright, let's see what else we got. Hell no. No, Rodriguez, I don't want to see your face. The fuck? Yo. Add time real quick.
I don't got time.
Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice?
A 7.
I'm gonna take the mask off. You do the same thing, alright? Alright. What it is now?
A 0.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Fuck you.
Dumbass bitch. Get tired of motherfucker keep playing my top, bro. Alright, we got 5 on the clock. That bitch hit at 0. God damn. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Can I see your face?
Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. Add time real quick.
What do you mean?
Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice?
I don't know, like a 3.
I'm gonna take the mask off and you tell me a number, alright?
Okay.
What is that now?
5.
That's great. Fuck. We gonna keep on pushing. Oh, Rihanna. Yo. Yo, you get me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate my voice? God damn, dumbass, thick ass Rihanna. Oh, damn. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, fuck no. Hello? Hello? Hell no. Don't want to see Babu. Ooh, Monique. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, would you rate my voice?
0. 10. Shut your ass up. You sound fine for
Alright, I'm ready. Oh, I heard a nigga in the background. Oh, fuck no. Man, me fucked up. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, see, Sophie, she's not 19. Stop popping up on the screen. So we're gonna try 2 more times. We're gonna find another girl, and that's the end of this video. Don't wanna see Sophie, she's not 19. Stop. Just see fucking Monique. Monique, I don't wanna talk to you, leave me the fuck alone. Fuck. It's over. It's over, bro.
Okay, bye.